You're probably wondering how I got this incredible look, and I did it by stacking. So in this episode, or moment, or few minutes, we're gonna be talking about stacking. I'm very good on camera, bro. Stacking is a patented technique created by Lashify, aka myself, and you can come in and add multiple layers of the Gossamer lashes and create any kind of volume look. So let's say you have 2 sets of A14. We have so many customers being like, I love the Amplify, but I want a fuller look. Great, slap on another A14. So what that means is you come in and you apply whatever look you want, one layer, and then you add bond, you're gonna see that in a second, and then you come in and you add another layer. So let's do this, ready? So you're wearing these A's. You went to work, people are like, wow, you look pretty, what did you do? And you're like, nothing. They're like, oh my God, did you get your hair done? Did you shave, or what happened? Did you take a shower? And you're like, no, it's my lashes. And then you give them your coupon code. So you're wearing them throughout the day. And someone's like, hey, you wanna go out? Let's have some drinks. And you're like, oh my God, I don't have anything to wear. I'm just wearing my work clothes. But you happen to have your control kit in your bag. I'm gonna teach you to go from day to night, but you can also do stacking in the day. It's so easy that it's going to freak you out how easy it is. So remember, the whole purpose of Lashify is once you wear them, you use the fuse control wand to fuse down, right? Once you fuse down, they're connected, they're staying there. As time goes on, if you wear them for 4 days, whatever, they're gonna loosen. If you feel like they're a little loose, you're literally gonna come in, like this is a mascara, and you're going to, you see how I'm applying bond, but I'm pushing back, right? So I'm actually doing something called recreating the seal, okay? If I just wanted more longevity, after this bond dried, I would fuse down. But it is also the first step of stacking. So stacking is when you come in, it's a patented technique, where you come in and you add another layer underneath. Because Lashify lashes are incredibly flat, like I said, like a piece of paper, you can come in and add another layer, and that's like getting double the volume. So each Gossamer has X amount of fibers, right? So if I'm wearing 5, let's say Gossamer lashes, each have 20 fibers, then I just put on 100 lashes, right? 100 single fibers. And if I come in and put another layer over it, then I have 200. If I put another layer, I have 300. Well, 300 single lashes on your lash equals a volume lash. Get it? So all you're doing is coming in and adding the layer. So in this case, we're gonna use STAX. This is the cherry stack. It's the first of the STAX collection. STAX are cool. Obviously, you can apply it without a stack, but they're really initially made to add in addition to. So there's this look that is very difficult to get, where it's just like this wispy wisp, and that's what the STAX are. So I created this a couple years ago, and we finally brought it to market. And this is a STAX 16, okay? So watch, guys. I want you to see this. I'm actually coming in, and I'm picking it up, okay? And remember, I added bond on there. You see how I just added that, and it just gave it this beautiful wisp right there? Okay? Do you guys see what's happening? It's going from vroom to vroom, vroom, vroom. Oh, I need more bond. Oh, and listen, a lot of our customers like to put bond on the Gossamer. I just don't do that. I'm lazy. I'm that kind of lazy chick. Okay, check it out. You see where the white dots are? Well, that's your marker of where you're gonna put the stack. And if you run out of the long ones, you can actually length stack, which means apply it a few millimeters up because you can't really tell the difference. You know what? Let me come in with a longer one right here. By the way, if you wear a 14 on average, don't get a STAX 14, get a STAX 16 or an 18, because those are always gonna be a little longer. So this is an 18, it says 18 on the back. PS, it has you can peel off the second sticker and peel it on top. That's something we'll talk about later. Okay, watch. So now I'm gonna come in. You see what I'm doing? You see how it's just sticking on right there? And then I'm gonna let go, right? And I'm gonna do this one too. Kind of amazing, not gonna lie, okay? Stacking, and they always say, and we all know this, once you stack, you never go back. And so all of our stackers are addicted to the stack. Okay. Ugh. I really should use a Wandom. I'm sort of ridiculous. I created it, and then, like I said, I'm just a rebel. I'm a rebel. Hold on. Here we go. Okay. Now let's do it without that. Whoa. If it's too long, you guys are gonna come in through the side. Shit. Okay, here we go. And can you see exactly like what I built right there? It's really fun. You can do colors, you can do like a whole extra thing. And if you're extra, you're gonna do even more because you're extra. These look really, really, really good. Can you see how good these look?
I can see.
Okay, I just want to make sure that you can see. Pop, pop. Okay, so watch, I'm gonna do it again. Even though I added extra, I'm gonna just go ahead. Like I said, I'm not the type that adds it to the Gossamer itself. I'm too lazy. I just make it kind of sticky everywhere. Why not? I'm also one of those people that likes to do things without reading the directions. You know what I mean? I don't know what that's about. I don't know what that's about. I think it's like a game that people play with themselves, and I'm that game player. Okay, so watch. Coming in again. Okay. So remember what we're going. We're going from this, right? So on this one, we went from this to this to this. So this is stacked with cherries, not stacked. They're both great, but this is like, hi, may I help you? And this is like, can I get a tequila? It's like a little bit different personality. So let's come in. Boom. Boom. Oh, not boom. I take that boom back. Look, you see how it's over? That's wrong. I don't even know where I put it. Oh my God. Oh my God. Hold on. Ow. I just blinded myself with Lashify. Wait, you guys, I don't know where my did I lose it? Fuck, dude. I think I lost it and I'm not kidding. Yeah, oh, there it is. There it is. Wow, that was really annoying. Everything's just sticking to everything right now. Is there like static cling? Okay. Okay, let's do that. Okay, let's see. Ready? Uh-huh. Right? Let's see. See that? Yeah. Actually, this one though, here we go. We're gonna come in, we're gonna fuse. And you can come in like this. And so you can do whatever you want. Like, you know, you can come in and go black for example, use a blue lash and do another layer of black, and then you have this like crazy ombre. So the whole idea of Lashify is creativity. And all of it started with just one lash. It started with the A lash. A is for amplify. So the whole point of Lashify is to mix and match. Every single lash before I create it has to pass a few tests, and it has to work with the other lashes. The only lash that I didn't really think about for stacking was the eyeliner. We have something at Lashify called trash maps, where you don't know what lash you just put on your eye, but every time you try it, it looks amazing, and sometimes those will be your favorite looks. So do not be afraid to experiment. You cannot screw up. The whole idea of Lashify is that you come in and you become your own lash tech, and you play and you mix and match. You're able to lift your eye, you're able to do a cat eye look, you're able to do a dolly wide-eyed look, and you'll find yourself wearing less eye makeup and wearing zero mascara because they make you feel good. And the thing is that when we feel good and when we feel pretty, we feel like we can do anything. So thank you for joining me on this lash class education. And I'll see you next week. Is it next week? Yeah. I'll see you next week. Thanks for joining me at Sahara Lotti Lash Class, and I'll see you guys next week.